Fenty Beauty, shade 4. And this Power Grip by e.l.f. Then I got a little concealer on my eyes. Now I'm gonna do my brows. Chits. I still got that little bump on my eye, but I usually get that from blocked. Something was blocked, that's all. I'm trying to do a natural look without being, I usually do too much over the top. This is NYX Blonde, Ash Blonde. I'm gonna use a little bit of the Clinique 03 Deep Brown. I don't know if you can see that, but I use a little bit to make it darker. I don't really want to touch my brows. I'm gonna touch it up now. See? There you go. I'm trying to make it sharp. See, it covered my birthmarks. I want to create a cover that scar. And if you see videos of people with like no pores, they have a filter on. Everybody has pores. But of course, I have acne scars as well as pores. And I still have that thing right there, but I put concealer there. I'm gonna put a little bit. To try to cover that. Okay. Now I'm gonna do a little contour. This is Fenty Beauty Suede. I'm gonna take a brush. put some concealer right here to brighten it up under my eyes. I might end up doing it a little drastic instead of natural makeup, because that's how it's turning out. Then put on some MAC lipstick. I use this as blush too. I could put gloss on that later. And then I don't like putting on mascara. And then do a lip. A little bit to add some depth to my eye. You know what? It's a little too big. I'm gonna use this. This is from Power Beauty, looks like. Fox Blush Balm. Putting it right here. You know. See, it adds a little depth to my eyes. Instead of just making my eyes look plain. Okay. Now I'm gonna show you how smooth that is. I'm gonna put some gloss on. It's kind of, this is from Bath and Body Works. Taking forever to open this. Look at that gloss. Look. Mm-hmm.